This generation has been said to be one of the most anxious generations of all time because being anxious gives us a false sense of control. However, anxiety can be super crippling, negatively impacting one's life. This 5-minute routine can help significantly reduce anxiety from the mind and body. Follow along. But you gotta focus. The first thing we are going to do is we're going to pause. From here, we are going to place one hand on our chest and the other hand on our stomach. And we are going to breathe in through our nose with a 4 count and out through our mouth with a 4 count. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4. Now, as we continue this breathing pattern, we are going to do something called the 3-3-3 technique. We are going to gently open our eyes. We are then going to locate 3 objects in front of us. It could be as simple as the wall, maybe a coffee mug on the counter, or nature outside, anything. Just find 3 simple objects. Look at them. As we are gently looking between these 3 objects, we are then going to listen for 3 different sounds. It could be traffic outside, the rustling of leaves, the wind, maybe even the humming of a computer fan. And then we are going to move 3 different parts of our body. It can be whatever you feel comfortable with. Move your fingers or your toes, tilt your head side to side, maybe even twist at the waist, move your ankles or wrist. Just move 3 different parts of your body. And realize that you, your movements, the sounds and sights are all with you in the present, right now. As we come into the present, we are going to relax our hands. Now we're going to use some simple, gentle pressure points to help eliminate anxiety from the body. We are going to take our index fingers and rub them in a circular motion gently on the upper part of the ear. Just gently in a circular motion as we continue our 4 count in and 4 count out. Just imagine a clean energy traveling between your 2 fingers, rinsing your mind. Gently from here, bring your fingers down to your jaw muscles, and there we continue rubbing in a circular motion. So much tension from stress and anxiety is held in this zone, but this somewhat traps tension and anxiety in the mind. So relax and visualize anxiety, stress, fear, all being released. From here, bring your hands down slowly and continue that gentle breathing. We are now going to smile. Just force a smile. This causes a subconscious reaction that may trigger happiness, and happiness is an antagonist of anxiety. Smile as we continue our 4 count in and 4 count out. You are happy. Here, in the moment. As we continue to smile, visualize that anxiety, fear, stress, leaving the mind, escaping out to the extremities. Gently massage the space between the thumb and the index finger with one hand as we continue to breathe, stay in the present, and smile. Then gently switch to the other hand, gently rubbing the space between the index finger and thumb. Breathe, smile, release. You are right here, right now. You can lightly shake it off if you want. Continue breathing, smiling. The anxiety is gone. You are right here, right now, in the present. There is nothing to worry about. Whenever you feel like you need it again, you can go back and do this routine, or you can do the individual parts from this routine whenever you feel like you need it. Now, as always, if your anxiety is super bad and you cannot get a hold of it, obviously you might want to see a medical professional. I hope this video helps you all out. Don't forget to subscribe, turn those notifications on. I hope you all have a great day. Peace. I will see you all in the next video.